suppose it's good to start with Bitcoin, a Bitcoin analysis. Wait for people to start filing in. Can you believe we're a quarter down? What the hell? Where did the year go? That means we're going to be halfway through the year before we know it. It's going to be like the end of June. You know what I mean? We're going to blast this out. Announcements. There we go. Maybe I'll chuck one on X. I keep calling it Twitter. Chuck it out on X. Live. What's up, Lex Leone? What's up, Gianluca? 8 functions over 2 positions is good. Well, it sounds good. I don't know what you're talking about, but it sounds good. Just gonna jump down to the...
Ricky.
Ah, Turbo, what's happening?
It's Jason now.
Jason, alrighty.
Turbo died.
Turbo died? Yeah, I noticed
What's
that.
up?
In the brackets, Turbo. Oh, not much, mate. Just relaxing. Doing a bit of... I turned my stream on, my YouTubes.
That's how I heard you.
Thought I would, yeah, chuck a stream on and see what happens. Oh look, I've got... I don't have to use this now. This is the Discord overlay thing. I'll use that another time. I can go full screen now. Sweet. Let's line this up a little. There we are. Dogecoin. Back, zoom out a little bit. I noticed something with Dogecoin, and that it repeated this descending trend line, this falling trend line that was holding it down. The cool thing is it caused a giant rally as it popped out from that trend line. I betcha with your cats, dude, like with your left and right ear down, as you know, a trend line is likely to trace down off that, like the other side of the ear. And once it pops, that's the beginning of the next part of the structure. Same with the cat's ass down.
I had a good trade.
Probably.
This morning.
Oh, did you? What'd you trade?
Yeah, on Doge. Yep. Yeah. Not high percentage, but good money on it. I think
Beautiful.
it was 28% on 20x. But
nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. That's very good. Very, very good. It's beyond a 1% move. Okay.
Yeah, so I caught the second part of the tail up over there, not the first part. I woke up at 11:30, so I caught what I could. But Bitcoin had a little run too.
Yeah, I saw that. So I'm tracking what could be an ascending triangle, like when if you want to just talk basic shapes.
Oh, you can talk. Nobody's been talking.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Came in and it's just dead silent. I'm gonna make it bolder just so it stands out. So this thing here, I see this pink shape is an ascending triangle. It's also adhering to a larger pennant or triangle structure on like a higher time frame, probably like the 4 hourly. And dude, it is hanging
primed
above. Yeah, it's hanging above 69,000, which is, to me, that is a very good sign of, you know, optimism and support.
Happy Easter, guys.
Oh, happy Easter, BLS.
Hey.
So I feel if you lose 69, then it's like, okay, you know, this triangle got respected as resistance, which is totally fine, no problem. And it would probably come down either to this trend line that Trego pointed out, which is coming from all the way, coming all the way from back here. So you got A, B, C, D, and then a potential E touch, but no evidence of that yet. I think we've already established, at least in the recent structure, an uptrend here. So because you've got a low, higher low, higher, 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 even though this section is definitely squeezing, which is a great thing. And these trend lines that shove price down over time in a bull market tend to pop, and that's exactly what we got with Doge. See, you got this descending trend line, resisting price, and then pop. This one bounced off the flipper, as I call it, because it came and back tested the top side and then launched. So did this one, but just on a smaller time frame, because this one isn't as grand as this one. This one's a bigger, slightly bigger structure than over here. So if you go down to the 5 minute, you can really see where it bounced off. Yeah, so it popped out and then back tested, but then you were fighting, squeezing, and that blue line was an old high on Bitcoin. Sorry, on Dogecoin, which is this high here from early March. So this is almost a month ago. We came up and struck that high point, and we've been underneath it ever since, until recently. So when you see price came up to the blue line again, and look at that, like it's to the decimal place. It bounced, it got rejected off it, pulled back, and then launched back through it again. So I think if you go down the 5 minute chart, that's why we were fighting it here. Like there was, I think it's significant enough to where it was going to cause some kind of a problem.
SR flip.
Yeah, I think so. Like
we haven't the previous high, if we can.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like if we get, see, I've got an orange line now depicting the brand new high, because this blue line was the high line. Now we've got an orange line because it's a new high. So I mean, I could almost delete that blue line, but I'm gonna leave it there just in case we do pull back.
No, leave it. Yep.
Yeah. Because if we pull back to it, it might provide a reason for some kind of a bounce, but yeah, we'll see. I currently have a position on that.
I think up.
On that green line.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm thinking up. Mainly because this does look very much like just your classic bull flag. Like it comes down like that. And if I grab it and link it up, it's just a nice channel. If you go out on the hourly, it's probably more prominent. Yeah. Or more easier to see from that perspective. And then look, check this out. If we go on the hourly and zoom out, or the 4 hourly, we've got Doge Day coming up. I don't know that people are trying to push that as a thing this time around, but we know in 2021, 420 Doge Day was a thing pushed by the Wall Street Bets guys on Reddit. They pushed this whole thing, but I don't know if that's even a trend at the moment. It's probably not, but we'll see. See what
It's
happens.
a bust after 2021.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean,
Like
fact
we were
that-
hoping for it, and it didn't happen after.
Yeah, I think it's because it needs a bull market. It needs to be a bull market. But because the last two 420s were a bear market, 2022, 2020, 2023. I mean, let's check 420 in 2023. Yeah, nothing really happened, man. Well, a little bit of volatility, but I don't know if you can chalk that up as oh, that was 420. Like, you had this bounce up into 420 and then it dropped the next day. I don't know.
Fucking killed it the next day.
Yeah. It just retraced. So that was the 2023 one, and then if you look at the 2022 was just probably a whole lot of nothing. Where's April? Okay, similar again. You actually had bigger runs before and after 420, so there was... Where's 20? Here we go. Okay, so this little rally, this section here, went up into it, and then it just corrected afterwards for the next 2 days, or the next week following 420. But then you had this really, look at that pop right there. That's like a 1, 2, 3, that's like a 5-cent move on Dogecoin back in 2022. Whatever that was all about, I'm not sure, but it went up 40% from extreme to extreme. And then this one over here was probably of similar, or maybe not quite similar, but 35, which is still great. And if you take this whole run here, that was very impressive. That's 63%. This was back when Doge was still working its way down from the all-time high. Like it was, yeah, no, it was, because April of 2022, yeah, everything was still very much, you know, bleeding out from the high. So those prices were, you know, almost at 20 cents. It was sort of high teens, mid-teens, high teens. But here we are, look. I know what I'm going to do. Daily chart, hide all of the lines, and zoom out and just get a feel for where we've been and where we're going, and how long it took to get here. This is like almost 3 years of time. Well, that flat part is 2 years. And then this crash here took a year to get from the high to the low. I think I've got a better chart that shows it. This list here for Doge. Show drawings. Yeah. I swear I've got more stuff. Support rate, no. Yeah, here we go. 365 days.
The fuck is going on in your YouTube?
Where?
What is Gianluca saying?
Not sure. Your IOTX Nightbot now. Mike's working. Track him command from that window. I'm not sure. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm not sure. Smash the like button, guys. Smash it up. Get more people to tune in. I think it works like that. I'm not sure.
I mean, I pushed it. I didn't want to break my mouse or anything.
Need to get some different music on, maybe. Get some... what other kind of music we got? I think there's a more upbeat one somewhere in here. No, it sounds like video game music. suppose that kind of helps. It'll have a beat to it. Clicky and flicky. Alright. Oh, thanks, Static. $2. Horns
Fuck,
up.
he's everywhere. God damn it.
It is.
Happy Easter, Static.
Omnipresent. G'day, Sincere. He says g'day, Crypto Down Under. And
Hey,
g'day,
buddy.
Turbo J. What have we got here? Price levels. Let me
Good day,
just-
motherfucker.
Oh, g'day,
Hey,
Jules.
what's up, Jules?
How are you, mate?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Same to you and your family.
So, oh, this song's nice. This is a nice, chill, relaxing one. So yeah, tracking that buy zone from back in the day, because you know, I don't know if you were looking at Doge back when it first made 9 cents for the first time ever. This is like February of 2021, January, February. That was like a big breakthrough, like new paradigm, because I think before that point Doge had never really been to 1 cent even, or if it had, it didn't really spend much time there. Just gonna check that. The 1 cent level, yeah. So that was like sort of unprecedented prices. Just gonna put a white line there. We'll say 1 cent. Because that is significant. It pushed it, it lost it for a bit, so it kind of did like a retracement, but then you had this huge eruption out of nowhere, and that may have lined up with Elon Musk tweeting about it. I think he started tweeting about it just casually in 2020, just every now and then there was just different tweets that he did. I'm kind of tempted to go through and find all the significant ones and point out what kind of effect they had on the chart, because they certainly did, and it did wear off. Obviously, after the all-time high, that Elon Musk effect wore off like cheap cologne over time. But I don't know. Let's have a look. I think one of the first ones was when it was him lifting up Dogecoin. Like it's a meme made off the Lion King, where Rafiki lifts up Simba on the rock. Let me see if I can find it. Elon Musk, Lion King, Doge. Yeah, I found it. I'm pretty sure I found it. So this one, he posted this. Actually, no, that was much later. That was the 4th of February 2021. So anyway, let's work off that. 4th of Feb 2021. I'm going to grab a screenshot of that, and we're going to post all over this chart. So there's a way to do that. Now, I think this is going off Australian time zone, so it'll make sense. It's still relevant on this chart because this is an Australian chart. So UTC plus 10, if you don't mind. Not sure I'll get 1 hour candle resolution all the way back there, but maybe 4 hour. Probably pinpoint it that way. So let's go back to the all-time high on Dogecoin. And I think, yeah, no, I do. I have the entire bull run. So this Elon Musk tweet, maybe I'll make the transparency a little brighter, or full transparency? No, full opacity. Okay. So the timestamp is the 4th of February 2021. April, no, earlier than that. Oh, it was well before all of that action. Okay, 4th. Okay, somewhere around here is where this one lives. Maybe this will make sense if I go this size. Okay, what do we got? It's about 6 p.m. 4th of Feb. But then again, that's just when someone took the photo of that. Or is that the actual timestamp of the post? I don't know.
No, it was.
The actual post happened at that time?
I don't think so.
So if I get an arrow on that candle, it's like... Fourth at... Happened in the morning. Yeah, okay, it happened around here. But I know that there were posts about Doge before that. And at that point, I'm pretty sure he wasn't as crazy active on Twitter. Like, tweets would come through maybe a couple a day or something, so you could actually scroll through and find his other ones, you know? Obviously it's gonna be a long scrolling journey to try and find it doing it like this. Does anyone know with Twitter how to scroll to a specific date in someone's timeline? I don't know if there's a way, but if there is, help a brother out. See, look, I've scrolled for a while here and I'm still in March. That's how active Elon is in Twitter now, or in X. It's a bit crazy. I'm just gonna try and remember some of them. Elon Musk Doge tweets history. There's got to be an article somewhere. Dogecoin. Am I that guy that is the one that actually keeps track of these things? I thought there'd be like some website with all of it over the place. There's reports on them, but there's no list of like documenting it. This tweet here, it's inevitable. This was July 18 of 2020. Let me find that. See if this links to the tweet. This might link to it. Yep, found it. Okay, 10:58 a.m. July 18, 2020. I don't know if my chart will go like that far back, but let's try. I might have to jump onto the daily to get 2020 action. Gonna mess up because it's gonna anchor the picture at that size. It's not gonna like keep it relevant or relative to the size that you follow me. All right, logarithmic. Let's pick out 2020 July 18. Okay, I can see it. That candle right there on that day. Oh wait, that's August, sorry. July. There, that one, that candle. Okay, now we got it. And that was this post. Grab that. It's this fella. $10:58 a.m., July 18, 2020. This is when Doge was still below 1 cent. What was it? The open of that candle was a third of 1 cent, so 0.003, and the high was 0.00368. So just a humble 12%, 13% pump off that candle. And then we had, yeah, all this time had passed. We had that one. There were a few more. I think there was like a... Let's see. I'll find it. Just bear with me. There'll be some moments of silence between the moment while I'm finding it. I think it was one... Elon Musk. Elon Musk put the Dogecoin dog as Twitter's logo. See, that was recently. That was a bit more... that was after he bought Twitter. What's that? We'll go to that in a minute. Elon Musk. Dogecoin tweet history. On April 2nd, 2019, Musk replied to a tweet saying, Dogecoin might be my favorite cryptocurrency. It's pretty cool.
Good morning, Rick.
Good morning. I'm just going over with my YouTube stream all the points where all the significant Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin.
Very cool.
On April Fool's Day. It's April Fool's Day here in Australia already.
Oh yeah.
I think it was Doge magazine. Like, it was made out to be... It's kind of like a mock-up of Vogue, but it was called Doge. Do you remember that? It was this one.
I never remember that.
I've got it on my stream if you want to jump on and see what I'm talking about. But there was this one. So this was back in January of 2021. The goodest issue. The best treats. 10 tips on how to get the best treats. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna just get this in fuller frame. God, I'm an old man. I can't even like click on the edge of the window without moving it. There we go. Okay. Just trying to frame it up because it's a tall post. It's very tall. I wanted to get this in the screenshot just because it's just to confirm it's like an official Elon Musk tweet. It's not some random. Okay, 8:47 a.m. We're just going to get the days. So 29th of January. I'm going to plug it in. So that belongs over here. Where's the 29th of January? Oh, it's well over here. Okay, it kind of coincides with this pump. Like it was posted during this pump. Maybe I have to like do this so it all fits. It's a bit tricky. Okay. That was that one. What's that one? See, there's going to be a cluster of them because I think he went on a frenzy at one point where he was just posting Doge related stuff on Twitter. A lot. So these were the glory days of the Elon Musk tweets back here. Back before the true breakout. You had like all these different ones. The glory days. Can't believe I'm saying this. Let me go to my actual screenshots. Okay, let's do it this way. Now, so I don't blind you, I'm going to do that, make it a black background. Why don't we go, let's get this canvas really large, something like that. Paint bucket black, zoom back in, go 100%. Okay. Be like a screenshot of a screenshot. It's okay. Let's pump that in there. There's probably earlier posts than that. Yeah, no, there definitely is. We got like two that came before that. This one. This one. That's a bit out of sequence, hang on a sec. What are the other big famous ones? There was like... Just trying to cast my mind back, my memory. some that had an impact were actually just replies to other people, I think. This one. I remember this tweet. Let's find it. This was a really random one, and it came last year actually. April 4th. So it looks like early in the year. These all, oh wait, no. This came out July, that came out January, this came out February. This was an April one. 4th of April last year at 4:50 AM. I could probably pinpoint that because it's a bit more recent. Have a look. Let's do it this way. (2023) 4th of April. I found it. Boom. That pump right there. So I think the Twitter logo changed from the bird to the Doge face before he tweeted this, because this was just like a follow-up to it. So I think the Twitter logo changed right here to the Dogecoin face. Let's see if I can find that too. Twitter logo Doge. 2 days after April Fool's Day last year, that's when Twitter logo changed to a Dogecoin, yeah. Okay, interesting. You can like search for someone's Twitter in the advanced tab. Enter your name, okay. Twitter advanced search. Do this off screen in a second. Aha, advanced search. Okay.
Whoa. Slow down. I'm not ready.
From this account, Elon Musk.
Don't you just want to hear Doge? Don't you just want to hear Trump say the word Doge one time?
Sure. I'm gonna search from the 1st of January of like 2019 to today. Actually, no. I'm gonna do, because I want to get the scrolling to a certain point on his timeline. Okay, search. Alright, cool, I got it, I think. So this is Elon Musk's Twitter all the way back to like January of 2019. Date range. See, look, even that's not too much. There's not. I think I have to be a bit more specific about the dates. Until 2019. Let's edit that. So advanced search. And it's like from accounts, from these accounts. So I have to go at Elon Musk. Look, can't type Elon Musk. Hey, when was he like really active about Dogecoin? I'm just gonna go same again, January the 1st. Let's just check all of 19 to 2020 of like those 2 full years. It's the last day of December 31st? Yeah. Okay. So we've got January 1, 2019 to December 31st, 2020. That's 2 full years. So this is all of Elon Musk. What the hell? Hey. Doesn't make sense because it's only going. This is no, it's not discover more. Media? I remember this one. Me trying to live a normal productive life and then Bitcoin. December 20 of 2020, 6:54 p.m. Yeah, this. Do you remember this one? 26th of December, 2020. He put this on. E6th of December, so it's Boxing Day. Makes sense. Boxers, Boxing Day. Of 2020. So it was like this run up. So Christmas Day and Boxing Day around that time was very flat. There's Christmas. There's Boxing Day. They were basically just dojis. Doji candles. You posted that on the 26th of December 2021, which was over here. Once again, Christmas didn't really do much. It's Christmas Day. There's Boxing Day. No real effect. What else did he do? $69,000, 4,200. You posted that on the 21st of October. Crazy times. Figured out what I was doing wrong with the search. I think I had it on top instead of latest. Latest gets all of them. This tab here. I think top just gets, it's sort of just, it cuts out everything else and just leaves what it thinks is the top posts. So let's do that again. Advanced search. At Elon Musk. First of January 2019 to what are the dates that mattered? Let's just go December 31st 2021. That's going to be a lot of posts in 3 years. I think this is how you do it. Latest. Everyone's busy eating chocolate, I think. Easter night, Easter Sunday night. It's got a chocolate food coma. Of RAM in 1960. There's a reply. Scared to click on it because it'll lose my place in the search. I'll just center click it. Coindesk says Ethereum's high transaction fees have made DeFi inaccessible to small investors, reports blah 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 blah. And then Elon replied, Doge. I'll the 2nd of December 2021. KuCoin. Bybit. Let's fix up the song here. This guy. Something went wrong. No replies. Wow, he had Cybertruck tests back in 2019. That's crazy. Elon Musk buys Fortnite and deletes it. That'd be great. Well, I kind of got bored of it. It took a long time to get bored of it, but I got bored of it. Looking for digging through. What is the end game after all this scrolling? Yeah. Good point. I was just trying to find the other ones that I might have forgotten about of the Elon Musk Dogecoin tweets. So what are we looking at? We're like less than an hour away from the close of the daily candle. So the April Fool's candle will begin. It's technically what we're still on the 31st of March candle still. Bitcoin's slowly trying to break out here, creeping on a come up. BTC.
Open the door! Open the door!
Open the door. Well, anyway, YouTube. Good to catch up with y'all, YouTube. If you wanna, you know where to go.
Oh yeah.
If you wanna hear more, or see more, or talk, or anything like that. I still think Bitcoin's gonna kind of be in a coma for the next 24 hours, but I could be wrong. Let's see what happens. Alright, thanks for tuning in.